I think we're ready to plant, but we're not planting tomatoes yet. Did you guess what we're gonna plant today? Let's take a look. Since it warmed up nicely and the wind's blowing, I wanted to get the rest of the plastic off of the garden. Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain. I think that's it. Right here along the new part of the fence, let's go ahead and put some cowpeas in. And today is Saturday, and you know what that means. We're gonna do a quick review of this garden, then we're gonna go to you and see what's going on in your garden. Just like everything, we're just digging down the soil, and we're gonna plant like normal. That is what that used to look like just a few short months ago. Now we're ready to plant. I'm just gonna make a little row right here, kind of towards the fence. Just like Ruth Stout, we just want good soil contact. I'm just gonna pat those in, and I am gonna go ahead and give them just a little bit of cover, just in case it gets cold one more time. Let me go get the watering can, and we'll take a look at Scott's first lotus. I don't even know what variety this is, but here's an example of what Scott produces. Scott, we look forward to seeing how your garden grows. And if you've been following my story, you know what we're doing next. We're gonna put a little bit of mulch back in around here. That ground wants to stay covered. So far, this is as far back as the garden goes, and these are supposed to get pretty tall, so we're putting them as far to the north as we can. Mammoth sunflowers, and then something else, but you can't guess. I'm gonna plant the whole pack. Just putting them in here right at the edge of the leaves. Like one of our friends of the channel said, we'll see what we get. He's been with the channel for a little over 4 years. He started off with a small square bed, started putting deep mulch in, and look what he did this winter. Walter, this is awesome. Your carrots, your rutabagas. We look forward to seeing your tomatoes this year. Thanks as always, Walter. Nice light layer of soil on top. Now here's a surprise. I said I didn't seal all the amaranth seeds. I'm just gonna sprinkle these on the top. Kind of like Ruth Stout. We'll see what we get. Strategy is here is layering. The biggest stuff in the back, the sunflowers are gonna get really tall, so is the amaranth. Make sure it's got a nice little drink. So Oklahoma wind is going to help me mulch back. Just a light little bit. Leaves will blow in here. I don't know if you remember, but we had a couple onions that started to grow. We went ahead and used most of them. I came out here and planted these in the dead of winter. I thought they were goners. Your onions are very cold hardy. I invite you to join this loose-knit group of people that like to get their hands dirty and grow things that taste good. Send a picture in now and again. Help inspire others. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think I'm going to plant tomorrow. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.